record. So we stopped in number 9. We were looking for subject and verb. Now, after deleting the phrase and the adjectives, so he said some, and the some, is it some plural or singular? We don't know until we find the verb. He said some fish swim. Imagine it. So what or who swim in your aquarium, Benito? It means you are talking to someone who's called Benito, like Benito in your aquarium. You know it?
Okay.
You know? So fish here, it's a subject, and the subject is plural. Because the word fish, it's one of the we call it collective noun. It could be singular or plural. It's the same spelling. Later, inshallah, we'll study everything about the nouns. Let's try again. Again. In number 10. In the sunset road, who rode? Sunset, preposition phrase. The word is tired? No, that
Travelers.
not travelers. Because logically travelers can rode. But in the test, in the exam, sometimes you will find it's not easy to find the subject because the sentence is too long or difficult meaning. Let's try. Let's try. For example, features. Features, a word can be verb or noun. Okay, but what features the 41 wildlife crossings? This length of road now features 40. This length. Look, preposition phrase delete and the adverb noun delete. So length features and the length is singular and the features is singular. Imagine. Features what? 41 wildlife crossings, which are placed along the animal's most important migratory routes. Look, preposition. So preposition phrase delete. Yes or no?
Yes.
And later we'll know that this is a past participle phrase. Now let's go back. I'm just giving an example from the real tests. The next skill. The next skill, it's called direct and indirect object. We don't care. We don't care about anything in the sentence, only subject and verb. But wait, we need to check the complete meaning. Because sometimes I give you subject and verb, but the meaning is not complete. For example, Alex built. Alex built what? If you don't write this, it will not be complete sentence. So what means?
Indirect.
So complement means see. So complement anything in the sentence except the subject and verb. That completes the meaning. Whatever it is. We don't care about direct or indirect object. But sometimes we need to know is the meaning complete without the object or not. For example, here, Alex gave me a birthday. Is that his clear meaning? Alex gave me for my birthday.
No.
So he put me in a box and I am the present. Is it my birthday? What's it? It's not, not logical. Or if you are reading a story that the person himself is the present, maybe, but here not. So when I complete it like that, now it's a clear meaning. So it's a sentence, so we can use full stop. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is one, not important. Let's go to the next. Here about object and the subject complements. What means?
Master, can I ask a question, please?
Go ahead.
What is the roadmap we will do?
In the roadmap, number 1, we need to finish all the basics. And we answer questions from the chapters and from the real tests to understand what's going on. After finishing everything for the English test, we'll go for the reading test. Because in your exam, you have 3 tests. English 1, and after the English 1, you will find the math, and after the math, you will find the English, and after you will find the reading, and then you will find the science. So remember, you have 4. Let me show you a real one with all of it. So here, give me a second. Now do you see?
Yes.
So this is a recent one. So number one, you have English tests, as you see. This is too long, too difficult, but too easy. After studying the strong basics. Basics, I mean by basics, the reasons behind the answer. Why this answer A, why it's B, why not? To understand it. If you don't understand why D, why not C, you will not understand anything in any test. That's why we test you
Of
how
course.
it is structured. In the English test, we test you how the sentence is made. Why we have full stop, why we have comma, that's it. Right? So after the
It
English,
will take a long to finish the basics.
no, just like from 5 to 10 sessions, it depends on your study. If you study hard, do your homework, it will be maximum 6 or 7. It can be 5 sometimes. It depends on you. You study hard. After the
Okay.
English, it can be math test. You see, I will send you all of this in chat. And after the math, you will find the reading. Reading is a powerful one act. Look, the time, less than 1 minute. And then after these 40 questions, you will find science. What are we responsible for together? We are responsible for the English and the reading. So you should find teacher for math and a teacher for science because you have 4 tests. You are responsible for English and reading, and then you will find teacher for math, teacher for science to help you. I can send you professors or teachers for this test to help you if you need a piece of advice. Because
Okay.
I trust some teachers to follow honest way and to be consistent and to be serious. No teacher like to delay sessions, to cancel sessions, they don't care about your future. I hate that. So that's why if you need a recommendation, I can recommend
But
you.
I think science is for Act 2.
No, this is not the science for physics, chemistry, biology. No, this is like general knowledge about science. You read a passage and then you get information. Yeah. But you need a science teacher just like to help you for the equations here, for the understanding,
Mm.
for math, because it has sometimes
It's for Act 1 and 2.
this is for Act 1. Act 2, it's for physics, chemistry, biology, specific subjects. If you
Okay.
but science here just like reading. It's called the infographics. You read the passage and you check the graphics here to help. But it's better for for the teacher of science to help you. And math and English can help you to study it, by the way, alone, if you don't mind, right? And then after,
Okay, you will send me the professors of science and math.
I can recommend you if you wish. I will
Okay.
send them a profile about you and about your target, everything. And I will choose friendly teachers. Teachers, you can depend on them. And if you find any problem with them, tell me quickly. It's a
Okay.
shared responsibility. Remember, that's why. And then you have some answers to help you. But the problem in the test, they give you it's letter D. But why D? So it's why D here. If you don't understand why D, why not ABC? That means you are all reading magazines. It's something bad. That's why we study strong basics. Feel it? So your job is to study hard and help me to finish basics quickly. Now let's go back. Object and the subject. Complements means information to complete the meaning. Yes or no? Yes. Again, Bob considers hamburgers. Considers hamburgers what? What did he consider? Hamburgers to be what? To be food.
Favorite food.
So food refers to hamburger. So what means hamburgers? I don't know, but it's a food. For example, So that means the complements can help me to understand. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Why food singular? Because hamburgers here refers as food. Because he said his, not foods. Because it's only hamburger, what kind? So food, it's a singular. Again, Ashley considers the CD is hers. Why not it's his? Because Ashley here, it's a
The
female.
girl.
Female, yes. And why we have S, not her? Because after her, we need the noun. What is the noun here? Don't have full stop. So it must be hers. This all of this will start in pronoun case, but we need to understand now. Again, who or what useless? Shayla? No, Shayla finds it useless. So it here object. This is information to describe the object. So what is useless? It. Do you imagine? That means here we have information to complete the meaning of subject or to complete the meaning of object, or information refers to the subject or refers to the object. Again, for example, the blacksmith found the horseshoe bent beyond repair. Okay, what bent beyond repair? The horseshoe. Yes or no?
Yes.
So he found it bent. So bent here past participle because this action already happened. Again, the people of Dunwich would reckon the monument theirs. So who would reckon? People. Preposition phrase. Reckon what? The monument. As what? As theirs. So theirs refers to the people. So they think, because reckon means just like they deem, they think, they believe. So it's theirs. Yes or no? Again,
Okay.
now tell me, what does this word refers to?
Work.
The aspiring artist considered the statue his best work. So the statue,
Artist and statue.
yes. And here, his refers to the artist.
Artist.
That's it. If I delete this part, is it complete sentence?
No.
The aspiring artist considered. Considered.
It will be indirect.
We have subject, we have verb, but we don't have object or anything to complete the meaning. Whatever it is, object or not. The aspiring artist considered. Considered what exactly? That's why it's not clear meaning. Yes or no? Again, what does this word refers to?
Director. Performers. His proof. Means his performance, or it's a different word.
Let me help you. Look for the agreement. Director singular. It's not performance. It's not troop, of course. Now read the meaning. The troop. I know troop like a group of soldiers, of young hopeful performers. Elected Jennifer. So they make him director. So director refers to what? To Jennifer. So the director here, singular or plural? Singular. Male or female? Male. Do you understand it now? So we add information related to the object. But remember, we will know it by knowledge. But in the exam, we will test you. Is it director or directing or directed? Or what exactly? We will look for the Jennifer person. So it must be person. It must be singular. So director, not direction. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's it. So that's called the complements to complete the meaning. So it's from the name. Subject to complement information related to the subject. Predicate nominative information after verb to be. This is something so easy. Like competitors refers to the teams. Teams plural, so competitors plural. Competitors human, so teams must be human. So easy. Predicate Adjective, what means? Predicate means a verb. An adjective means adjective after the verb, like that verb as an adjective. What sound did Mr. Reza say music? It sounds so easy. But the problem, Mario, the problem or the main issue for your test, where is the subject? Where is the verb? And is the sentence complete in meaning or not? That is. Remember, if there is no subject, or there is no verb, or there is no both, or we have subject and verb, but no complete meaning, it means not sentence. This is a big subject chapter we'll study inshallah later. Again, I'm looking for the subject and verb in this sentence. If I find it, the persons remain satisfied with our work on their house garage. So subject, verb, and then complements to complete the meaning. All of these, subject and verb. Is the meaning complete without them?
No.
Persons remain. Remain what? Again, without this information, some persons remain. Look, adjective to describe remains. That's fine. Huh? Sentence. Yes or no? Is it complete? And persons remain.
Oh,
Yes, it's complete, but it's a symbol
why?
because we have subject and verb and the meaning. Well, that is a trap. We'll study it later. If I told you I remain happy, yeah, it means I'm happy. The persons remains.
It's completed.
Yeah, it's a complete meaning, but it's a simple sentence. Okay, but how about this is this information? This is to add details when, where, how, why. That's why later we'll study the complements. So complements means anything in the sentence except the subject and verb. Again, my favorite cousin, Tabitha, will become. So is this part the complete sentence? My favorite cousin will become.
No,
Become what? Abu will become a doctor. Huh?
it's complete.
What? How about this? This is the more details. Doctor for what? You feel it? Okay, but this is one complete subject verb and an object. This later, inshallah, we'll study it, but at least you must find subject and verb quickly. That's why. Here, many examples and questions. This is for unit 1 and 2. Now, do you understand what is the subject and verb? Too easy. Something else can help you to master verb memory is to study and memorize all the tenses in English. Present simple tense, past perfect tense. We have 12 tenses in English. Later, we'll have a big lecture about verb. But it's so easy because you already know it. But we'll test you for the difference between subject, verb, and the tenses, why it's past perfect, why it's past simple. It's something so easy, we'll master it alone. And now are you still alive?
Okay.
You're still alive, my dear friend. You're still alive, right? Mario, are you okay?
Master,
Are you okay?
Master, I can see the screen. If you can hear me.
You don't have the screen, so
Hello?
yeah, I'm going to share again. How do you see? Now you see the screen, right? Hello. Mario, do you hear me? Mario, do you understand? Hello. Are you okay? Hello. 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 Go change your link again.